Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Must Watch Tips. So today I'm going to show how to make this carousel effect. Presentation like this is really very helpful when you are going to show some pictures in the amazing way like this. And you can show these pictures infinite number of times. So let's not waste time and get into the video quickly. So first of all, let us take one blank presentation, and let me remove this auth. So basically we want to start with a blank presentation, and the very first step is to add photo. But before that, go to view and tick this grid lines and guides, so it will help in arranging the photos wherever you want. And now let's insert the pictures. So I've already downloaded pictures, and let me take 5 of them. Now all the pictures are here. Let me move aside and crop one of them. So let me take this one. Now for better clarification, let me just untick the grid lines for now, and we'll go to picture format and crop. First we will crop in the ratio of 1:1, and now again we'll go to crop to shape, and then we'll crop it to circle. We can arrange it a bit, and now this picture is ready. So after cropping this picture, we will go to picture effects, and we want shadow. So we'll take the direction of the shadow like this one, and again go to format picture, go to shadow, transparency as around 75%, do the size as a bit more of 105. We'll have blur more, so we'll increase the blur, and the distance is okay, so we'll make it as 0 for now. Perfect. So this one image is ready for us. Now let us take this image aside and do that same process for all the 5 images. And now all 5 of our images are ready, so it's time to arrange them. But first of all, let us add one more effect. Go to picture format, effects, bevel. I'll apply this one. So the next step is to resize them in different sizes as we have in this one. So first of all, let us make this one as in the center, and this is around 13, a bit smaller, 12, yes. So let us make this as 12 centimeter, and these two we want to make it as 9. Perfect. This also has a 9. And these two at the ends will make them as 7 or probably 6. Post this, let us add some transparency effect to the images which are behind the first image. So we'll go to picture format, and in corrections we will apply contrast minus 40% so that it becomes a bit dull. Same with this image which is opposite to this image. Go to correction and apply this minus 40% contrast. And the images which are at the end will apply minus 40 contrast, minus 40 brightness. Same with this one. Perfect. So we are ready with the images and the transparency effect. Now let us add headings of these images. So I'll go to insert text box. Let's say it is picture 1. Now let me duplicate this by pressing Ctrl D and place this over this image. Also press Ctrl D and place this over here. Now let's make these two texts smaller a bit. And now let us not highlight other text boxes apart from picture 1. So we will reduce the transparency of picture 5, picture 2, picture 3 and 4. So it will not highlight much. So now after this, let's make one more thing, which is the slider at the bottom, this one. So what we'll do is we'll go to insert shape and we'll take this one, make a slider over here like this with no outline. So this is currently, and let us make this shape fill as black. Now let me add 5 of them, place it here. And for this 4, let us fill it by lighter color like this. So our first slide is done. So now our first slide is completed. Now let us duplicate this slide. And in the second one, what we will do is we'll change picture 1 to 2, 2 with 3, 3 with 4, 4 with 5 and 5 with 1. Perfect. Now you must have guessed what I need to do next. Yes, swapping the images. So I'll press Ctrl D for this one. Now I need this image in place of this. So I'll go to this, hover over this image, press Ctrl Shift and then slide it down until it becomes the size we want. And now I'll go to selection tab. I'll select picture 14 and move this picture here, but before that let me move this to here. And let me just make this smaller. Delete the one in back. I'll choose that. Let me bring this to front. Resize this and put it over here. This is picture 10, so let me delete picture 12 and I'll place it over here, make it as big as we want. Let's delete picture 4. So now you can see that this picture 1 was in the center, and now picture 1 has gone to the left side, and similarly for all the images. Now this one has come in the center, picture 4 has gone to right side, and picture 3 is been moved to left side to here. Now what needs to be changed? We have changed the name of the picture, we haven't changed this one. Now we would like to highlight this, so we'll copy format of this one and copy it here, and for this we will copy and paste it in the center one. So this black one is moved to the right one. Now one last thing to update in this slide number 2 is the transparency effects. So we'll make this picture as normal as it was earlier. We'll choose this for these two. For this one, let us go to picture format corrections and we'll apply minus 40% contrast, as in this as well. Let's say minus 40%, and the images at the end side we will say minus 40 contrast, minus 40 brightness. So now we have completed this slide number 1 and slide number 2, and in similar way you can duplicate this and make changes in slide number 3 as we did in slide number 2, and you can make 5 slides as we have included 5 images in this first slide. And when you complete all the 5 slides, select all the slides, go to transition and apply morph transition, and you can play with this duration. So I have kept it as 1 and apply to all. And to make these images roll over and over again, we'll go to slideshow. Setup slideshow button is there in the setup one. We'll click on this, and here you can see that there is an option of loop continuously until escape. We'll click on this button and press OK. So now when we do slideshow, the presentation will be looped from slide number 1 to slide number 5, and then again it will move to slide number 1. So it will be in the loop until we press escape. So after completing 5 slides, your presentation will look like this. You will have 5 slides where in the slide number 1 there will be picture 1 in the center of it. In slide number 2 there will be picture 2, and similarly in slide number 5 the picture 5 will be in the center. And when you go to slideshow, I have just take this loop continuously until escape, and I have set the transition to 0.75 seconds. So let's see what we have prepared. So that's all for this video. I hope you have learned a lot and taken away many things from this video. If you like this video, please consider subscribing this channel and share it with your friends. Till then, goodbye.